Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Some days are meant to be slow, no rush, no noise, just the sound of waves and a little time for myself. Today I'm spending the day at the beach and I'm taking you along. I kept today simple, a comfy dress, sunscreen, water and a book. Beach days don't need much, just an open mind and a space to breathe. The journey itself feels therapeutic. With every mile, my thoughts slow down. It's like the closer I get to the sea, the lighter I feel. And there it is, the ocean. Endless, powerful, calming. It reminds me how beautiful it is to let go. I walk barefoot, feeling the sand and water beneath me. Moments like this help me reconnect with myself, my thoughts, my emotions. Being alone doesn't always mean being lonely. Sometimes it means peace. Watching the waves, reading a few pages, and simply existing feels like self care today. I brought a small snack because beach air makes everything taste better. Simple joy, simple happiness. Alright, let's do a quick what's in my beach tote bag because I love keeping my beach days simple but prepared. First thing first, sunscreen. This is not negotiable for me. I always make sure to reapply it throughout the day because sun protection is must at the beach. Next, I have my sunglasses. Not only do they protect my eyes, but they also instantly make any beach look feel complete. So this always comes with me. I have packed two towels, one for sitting or lying down and other to dry off. Of course, I'm carrying my water bottle. Staying hydrated is so important, especially under the sun. Then I have a book. I love reading by the sea. It's honestly one of the most relaxing things ever. Here's my small pouch where I keep my keys and some cash. I also have a lip balm because beach air can get really dry and I like keeping my lips moisturized. And lastly, my mobile phone for photos, videos, music, and of course, capturing these little beach moments. That's everything in my beach tote bag. Simple, practical, and perfect for a calm day by the sea. Sunsets at beach feel personal. The sky changes colors so softly, reminding me that ending can be beautiful too. As the days slow down, the beach becomes quieter. I take one last look, grateful for this time, just me and the sea. If you enjoyed this calm beach day, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, taking time for yourself is always worth it. See you in my next vlog.